Losing her job a few years ago must have been a blessing in disguise, as 39-year-old Rashika Kumar from Lenga Lenga, Nandi is now her own boss. In tonight's Successful Fijian, we take a look at the incredible journey of Kumar, who owns a nail shop in Nandi town and says her husband, Shelvin, has been her pillar of strength. Felipe Naikaso with the story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Perseverance, determination and continuous prayers are just some of the words to describe this couple's success in owning this $40,000 nail and beauty shop in Nandi town.
That was in 2013. Actually, I was working for some other company, and that time when I studied in Vietnam, a few people only knew about nails in Fiji. So I thought to do my own as an entrepreneur. I wanted to do something of my own and not just for the tourists, but for the local market, for the local people.
Looking back at the humbling days of just 2 garden chairs and a kitchen table used to run the shop, the couple still cannot believe how far they have come. They also credited the assistance of their landlord, who was there during the trying times.
He opened up a shop in 2012 and he gave me to look after, and then later there was lots of girls employed, and then I don't know what went wrong, and then all of a sudden our new management came in and 3 of us were like thrown out overnight, like on the road, and I didn't know what to do, and I was like, oh Jesus, what is going on? I have put my heart and soul with that, and I mean, like, he gave me the authority to run the shop, and I was like, why? Where did I went wrong? And I was so hurt, and I was crying on the street, the same street where my shop is right now.
Because whatever happened with the uncle's shop, maybe it was a plan of God, because he had a better plan for us, and this is the plan for God. You know, he had this in plan. And
the business now has 5 permanent staff and makes around $7,000 a month from various beauty therapeutic treatment.
in the beginning it was hard for me to adapt, because it's a lady's nature of business, and but the word impossible itself says that I am possible. So, and Rashika behind me giving me that encouragement and moral support, and even the ladies who walked into the shop, they gave me the courage that being a man, I'm touching their feet and hands and doing all those things. You know, it's inspired me to go furthermore and do studies even on this nature of business.
The customers come from around the country by either making appointments or just walking in.
We both feel proud that it's the patience, it's the hard work, and it's the blessing of God that we've been faithful, and the steadfast faith in God that has brought us here. And there is more to come, actually.
Rashika and Shelvin are now planning to also open up another shop soon. Felipe Naikaso, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.